Hello everyone. So this company Hibbent sent me this shower system to review. And I must say I've been using it for about a month and a half and it's pretty awesome. I kind of cannibalized some of the pieces as I already had a few in my shower system. So as you can see I have basically everything that's black is the Hibbent. So I had my own filter I'm still currently using, as you can see over here. I didn't replace it, although this comes with one, so I will replace it when the time comes. And I have the Hibbent shower head up there, which has proven to be absolutely awesome, and everybody loves it. And one thing I just wanted to note, what's nice with this set is it literally comes with everything you need. So from the tape to any little extra rubber grommets, pretty much anything you could possibly need to get this hooked up. And I think that's extremely nice. I like you don't have to go to the store to buy anything extra, and I feel like in the past that often is the case. So to review this, actually it even comes with some extra little rubber tips for the shower head itself. What you can see is I lightly bent it so it's dripping. But this is a very pleasant shower head. So see if I just turn it on. Obviously it covers a very large area, very nice and even. And the handle itself is pretty decent too. It also has this button you can flip that shoots water out of the front. The way it's positioned, it actually, when you pick it up, it tends to kind of splash right in your face, so just watch out when you do that. But outside of that, this is an excellent option for washing down. For example, you can like wash down some of this soap. Like I said, not necessarily the cleanest shower, but all in all, this shower system has been good. If anyone's looking into getting it, I do recommend it. Multiple of us have tried it out. Everyone likes it. I really like that this shower head, the top covers such a large area that you feel no matter what, you're always covered in water. It's not like that situation when you're taking a shower and you're turning left and right or stepping back and forward so the water gets across you. Essentially, as long as you're standing under this, you're completely wet. And I think that makes it pretty awesome. Obviously, it comes with the filters. The handle is good. Also, obviously comes with a little place to put it down. But as I said, I reused kind of some of my own equipment here. But all in all, it's just a good system. And that's all what I got to say about it. There's plenty of other boxes and things like this that you can buy that, you're going to have to buy the tape for the fasteners. You're going to have to get any extra equipment, possibly just anything. This box has everything you need to make this work. And that just makes it stress-free, easy. It looks nice, works well. Really can't think of anything negative about this except for the fact that literally it's pretty easy to press this button when you pick up the handle and spray yourself in the face with still cold water, because it obviously takes it about half a second to warm up before it first sprays out the top. So there's been multiple times I just sprayed myself right in the eye with pressing the button. So those are my 2 cents. Check it out. I recommend it.